Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Ermi. Today, I'll show you how to participate in the exciting DONOT airdrop on the TON blockchain. Whether you're new to crypto or an airdrop veteran, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Let's dive in. DONOT is a unique project built on the TON blockchain. It's designed for community engagement, offering rewards through fun tasks and in-game activities. The best part? The DONOT airdrop is open to everyone, giving you the chance to earn free rewards simply by participating. Let me show you how to get started. Here's how you can join. First, go to the DONOT game link on Telegram. You'll find it in the description below. Once you're in, follow the bot's instructions to register. Complete daily combos and other in-game activities to earn your rewards. Don't worry, it's super simple and beginner-friendly. You can track your progress and rewards right in the app. Want to maximize your earnings? Here are my top tips. Log in daily and complete all available tasks. Invite friends to the platform to earn referral rewards. Stay consistent. Daily combos are key to boosting your rewards. And that's it. The DONOT airdrop is your chance to earn on the TON blockchain while having fun. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more crypto guides and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.